Hello guys, welcome back to Style with Harriet. I hope you guys are doing well as usual. If you're new to my channel, my name is Harriet. Guys, I talk about fashion, beauty and general lifestyle, but my main focus is fashion. If these are the kind of videos you like, then this is the right place for you. Guys, today's video, as you can tell from the title, is all about simple glam look. To achieve this look, you have to watch this video to the end. And guys, this look is very easy to achieve if you can follow my simple steps. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. In that way you get notified of my new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. As you can see guys, I've already done my eyes and my foundation off camera. For today's look, I've decided to just use one simple eyeshadow, and it's a matte one, it's a brand one. Guys, this look doesn't need dramatic eyeshadow. Just one brand eyeshadow is okay. If you don't have eyeshadow palette, you can also use your brown setting powder. Guys, as you can see, I've decided to use a foundation that is a bit darker than my skin, and I use the LA Girl long wear foundation in the shade warm caramel. And right now I'm just blending in my concealer. I use the concealer in my actual shade, and it's the MAC NC Pro Long Wear concealer in NC42. Guys, I'm just blending it in, and the key to this flawless look is to blend and blend very well. So guys, don't be too lazy to blend in your concealer. Make sure you blend very well so you can achieve that seamless look. And right now I'm just going to use my Sasha setting powder to set the concealer. This way I'm going to avoid creasing under my under eyes and everywhere that I've put my prolonged wear concealer. So guys, just watch what I'm doing and relax. So guys, I'll just keep on applying that butter sachet powder to everywhere that I've applied my concealer, and I will let it sit for some few minutes. So in that way the concealer will be able to take in the powder and everything will just go flawless together. So I'm looking scary and all powdery right now, but guys, trust me, everything is going to come together. So guys, I'm just taking my F highlighter and I'm just going to apply that to my brow bone just to highlight my brow a little bit. It's nothing too much, so I'm just applying it very lightly and gently. As you can see, I'm not actually packing it too much because it's a simple glam look, so we just have to keep everything simple and nice. Right now I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC42, and I'm just going to use this powder to gently press in and dust off the excess powder. Guys, look at the way I'm applying it, because application is the key here, so you have to actually follow the techniques. I'm not just sweeping, but I'm gently pressing it, the product, and I'm just tapping it in and I'm just gently sweeping off, but I'm doing it in a circular motion. So guys, just watch me very well and try to apply this technique if you're doing your makeup, and trust me guys, you're going to achieve the same look if you just follow my techniques. So I'm just using it to set the whole face, as you can see. So I'm just going around in a circular motion. I'm just pressing in gently and lightly. I'm taking another powder, but in the same Max Studio Fix, but this is in NW50, and I'm using that powder to contour my face, just to mimic that natural contour that we all have, and it will also create a kind of depth and a definition to my face. And guys, you guys are seeing the way it's snatching the face. So guys, this step is necessary if you think you have like a round face, or you just want to get your face snatched. I believe this step is necessary, if you just want to get that snatched glam look. Now I'm using my Rimmel London natural bronzer. I'm just going to apply that on the same place that I've applied my contour. So this is just going to warm it up a bit, so it's just giving it that warmth and helping it to create that shadow, as you can see. So guys, that's what I'm doing. Just watch. I think it's self-explanatory, but yeah, when you guys need more explanation, I'll just come back, but I'll leave you to watch. But right now I'm just using that same NW50 Max Studio Fix just to contour my nose, just snatching my nose just to give it that slimmer look. And the way I'm applying it, I'm going straight and I'm just taking it straight to my brow. In that way everything goes flawless and seamless, guys. That's what I'm doing, and I think it's looking all snatched. You guys told me in the comment section. So now I'm just using my F Dewy Spray Mist, and I'm just going to set the whole of my face. In that way everything will come together looking so flawless, and it will prolong my makeup. So guys, it's all looking like my face is so wet, but it's going to come together very soon. So right now I'm using that same matte eyeshadow that I used for my lids. I'm just using it to smooth out the lower lash line. That is what I'm doing right now, just to make sure everything goes seamlessly. Guys, that's the key of makeup. You just allow everything to go. So whatever you use for the top, you just use it for the bottom as well. In that way everything flows. Now I'm using my F mascara for my lower lashes. Guys, be careful because right now my eyes are all teary. So be careful when you are doing this. I'm always scared of using mascara, but it is what it is. Guests have to slay, so we have to just to tie that up with my forces. So to line my lips, I will be using my MAC lip liner. Oh guys, I've forgotten the shade, but I will leave it in the description box below. So I'm just using it to line my lip, nothing extra. I'm just following the line of my lips. I'm not overlining, but if you want to overline your lips, that's totally up to you. And I'm combining it with this sleek burgundy lip liner. So I'm using combined effort of 2 lip liners today because that's the kind of look I'm going for. But you can use one, just depends, depends how you feel. It's not like a rule or it's like a law, but that's just how I feel for today. So I'm just going to use both of them. and I like the way it turns out. Right now I'm using my Maybelline Stay Matte lip gloss, and I'm just going to apply it to the center of my lip in a tapping motion, and I'll be using my finger just to blend it out. Guys, don't be scared to use your finger. You can use your finger to blend. I use my finger most of the time, just to blend. Tap, 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 blend, blend, blend. And right now I'm using my Nice Butter Gloss just to intensify that look, and just want that lip to pop. So guys, let's see if this Nice is going to pop that lip or not. Let's put it to the test. To keep that shine going on, we're using our Esteem Shine from SS, and we are just going to intensify that lip. Time for our blush, and we're going for Essence blush as well in the shade Loyalty. This blush is very, very loyal, like a dog. Like a dog, guys. It's just popping those cheeks the way it pops the lip. Guys, take a look at that, and it's adding a pop of color to that region. Guys, I'm going in a circular motion, remember? So most makeup application, it's always done in a circular motion. That way you achieve a flawless look. And guys, you have to be gentle with your face, be gentle with your cheek. Right now we are using the Estee Lauder highlighter in the shade Gold. I'm using it at the highest point of my cheekbone just to make it pop. Everything, we just keep making those places that we want the light to hit. We just want to highlight them and make them pop. So guys, that is the essence of highlighting and contouring. Where you don't want people to see, you contour, and those places you want people to see, you highlight. So bringing them out and taking some in, and I'm just highlighting my cupid's bone. Nothing too dramatic. You have to be easy on it, just simple. Right now it's time to highlight the bridge of my nose, and that's what I'm doing, just gently rubbing it in with my finger. And this is the finished look. Look at those eyes, they are so simple, nothing too dramatic about it. Just one eyeshadow. You don't need too much for this look, and most of the products I used, apart from the MAC and all and the Estee Lauder, the rest products, they are inexpensive, and you can get them from the drug store. And for the LA girl, you can get them from your local cosmetics shop. I decided to get these things for you guys, and I believe you guys are going to try this, and you guys are going to drop me a comment. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and don't forget to share these videos. Guys, please leave me a comment what you want me to do or what you would like to see from me again. And guys, stay blessed. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe, hit that, press that notification bell so you get notified of my new videos. And thanks guys for watching. Stay blessed until I see you in the next one.